Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura and a Micro 90 here. So this machine had an error 8 code when it came in. That just indicates that there's something wrong with the brew unit. So what I did is just give the machine a tune-up. So I took the brew unit out, replaced the screen and gasket, deep cleaned the whole brew unit and the inside of the machine, and then lubricated it and put it back in. So I also descaled the machine and back flushed the coffee system and cleaned the milk system as well. So now that the machine's all cleaned up, ready to go, I just want to pull a shot of espresso just to show that everything is working. So let's just do this one here. There's our shot of espresso. As you can see, there's no error code or anything. The machine is working great. That's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.